Here is a beginner's guide if you are starting out hosting on Airbnb. Well, first you want to determine if Airbnb hosting is right for you. It is important to understand the landscape and prepare a solid foundation before starting your Airbnb hosting journey. Then you can access if your space is a good fit. Start by looking at a space through the eyes of a potential guest. What makes your property stand out? Is it the location, the unique features of the space, or perhaps the story behind it? Make sure to research the market and check local laws and regulations as well and research property types and amenities. You can also use an Airbnb calculator to estimate your revenue potential. Plug in your property's details, location, size, amenities to get a forecast of your possible Airbnbs. You want to create a budget. Every successful venture requires a budget. Outline your initial setup cost, ongoing expenses like utilities, maintenance, and cleaning, and unexpected costs as well. A well planned budget keeps you grounded and helps manage your finances effectively. Then, you can also find out your financing options. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe.